On today's adventure, I'm going to make some beef stew. Nice and cold outside, beef stew hits the spot great. Let's see what I'm putting into it. All right, got the slow cooker pot. Got some celery, mixed veggies, Worcester sauce, pepper, onions here. Yes, I'm going lazy, they're pre-cut. Got some peppers. I got the beef stew bouillon cubes. I got some potatoes, and that is the main event, the beef, some mushroom, a zucchini, and some garlic. Oh, this is going to be fun. All right, now we're sitting down to make the beef stew. Got the pot here. Got my beef, lots of, look at that beef. That's 2+ pounds of beef. That is 2 pounds and a quarter of beef. Let's get into the beef. Cut this up. Alright, so off camera I did finish cutting up the celery, so this is our pot so far. It's pretty dang full. It's going to be pretty darn good. Next up, we're going to do potatoes, so let's get into this. Now we got to cook this for about 3 hours, and as you can see, if you can see the clock, it's already 7:15 p.m. Dinner's not going to be ready until well after 10. So I will see you guys with this once it's fully cooked into beef stew. Oh, I'm excited. Here we go. All right, we are finally here with the beef stew. It is like 1 a.m. here. It is not early. It is well, it's early in the morning. 6 in the morning, police at my door. But we're going to try this beef stew. It took a little bit longer than I thought it would take. It took 2 hours longer than I thought it would take. It took about 5 hours. But here we go. Right here, got some potatoes. Got some beef. A little bit of zucchini, some corn. Get myself a carrot. Cheers. It's going to be hot. This thing is hotter than hell. And hell, we'll throw a jalapeno on there too. Get a little bit of heat in this action. Ooh. Oh, that jalapeno kicks. Holy crap. That jalapeno kicks well. But the beef is good. The potatoes are nice and cooked. Everything is great. Another bite. With all the goodies in there again. Snap. As my buddy Mojo would say. Snap. This is good. Very tasty. Got Lucy up here with me. You don't want this, sweetheart. It's gonna burn your butt. Oh, you see a tail flopping. Come on. All right, just stay there. Yeah, this beef stew, it's good. And the best thing about beef stew is you literally could put whatever the hell you want into it. And guess what? It's gonna be tasty. This is fantastic. The addition of the corn, got some corn and some carrots and green beans in here. Awesome. That vegetable medley, the frozen vegetable medley in here was an awesome addition. That was a last second addition. Even Lucy's showing her tail. You guys like tail? But here we go, some potatoes, some beef, celery, corn. Cheers. I am definitely onto something when it comes to making this beef stew. Like, this is very flavorful, very good. I'm enjoying this very thoroughly. Had a little bit too much beef in this bite. Woo! Jalapeno comes in like, hey, motherfucker. Jalapeno comes in. You get a little bit of heat from it. 2 jalapenos was the right call, not 3. A little bit of zucchini right here. So we'll have some of the zucchini. Good flavor with everything. This stew is awesome. And I will jar it up tonight, even though it's 1 in the morning. I will jar it up tonight. And I'll put it in the freezer. Which means I will have beef stew for a while because I'll thaw it out and eat it. When I have a really cold day here, and we are in the cold months in Colorado. Like, oh my gosh. The next video you'll see from me is most likely going to be a travel video for me going from Denver to Tucson, Arizona. The day I travel, the high is 19 degrees. 19. And we're expecting 2 to 6 inches of snow on the ground when I go to the airport to fly to Arizona. So that is going to be a very fun video, and I can't wait to show you my travel day to Arizona. We're going to have fun with it. Most likely my flight's going to be delayed, so I will have 2 or 3 beers at the bar. Overpriced beers at the airport. You got to love it. But yeah, this beef stew is on freaking point. So tasty, so yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try making a beef stew like this, but throw in your own little twist. Do whatever the heck you want with the beef stew. It's beef stew. I almost kind of look like, I don't want to call it like a garbage pile, but it's just like whatever vegetables and stuff you have in your refrigerator, throw it in the pot, see what the heck happens. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.